Hello friend, welcome to my channel again. As you can see, this is my desktop screen. I prepared some sketch in Vecino. As you see here, the voltage is there about 208 and the current. So I consider this one is the amps, this one is the voltage. So you can see the meter reading. Okay, so you can see the LEDs light is blinking. It means communication is online. The system is online. So I show you something. Here I put one comparison. So comparison is 10 amps. So if my system goes more than 10, the system will on and the output should be off, whatever the output is running. Okay, it's just explanation because after I show you the my setup box, so before that I have to explain, so that's why I'm explaining you here the comparison of voltage. So you can see I put here 145 volt. So if my system goes down less than 145, so then also the output will cut off. Okay, now you can see this one is the enclosure. I prepare it here in my lab. So this one is the power supply as usual. This was the voltage sensor, AC voltage sensor, and here the small one is the current sensor, and this is the relay, is 30 ampere capable. And you see this one is the Arduino Nano. So I made the sketch. The logic I explained you. Actually, this device I prepare for rural area for the air condition. It means AC. In rural area there is a voltage problem. So the voltage are too less. Sometimes the compressor in the air condition is running with less voltage with higher current, and it's tripping itself. It's called a thermal trip. So this voltage sensor will detect the lower voltage with the limitation, and this ampere also detect the amps with the limitation, whatever the limit I fix in the sketch as I explained you. So when my AC take more than 10 ampere, the compressor will cut off by this relay, because this relay normally on. You can see the LED is on here, so it will stop. And again he take 3 minutes. If everything is normal, then after 3 minutes again the compressor will start and try to run. And this is the voltage sensor. If there is some problem, maybe current is under rating and voltage goes less than 150 or 145, so the stabilizer which producing the voltage to constant the output from 90 volt to 220 volt. So sometimes the stabilizer not functioning due to higher load on the output side. So the voltage also input section, I put one sensor. He detect the lowest voltage, and if it is goes less than 145, then also this relay stop, and again he restart after 3 minutes as usual. Okay, so here you can see I have one dryer. I show you the reading here. As you know, the voltage here 208, so current is 0, but my voltage source is limitation. There is some limitation. I cannot take more than 5 ampere the load, and because it's I'm taking from a transformer. So when I start the dryer, the voltage goes down and current will be rise. You can see here, this is the dryer in half load. It means the heater load will half, not full. So you can see the voltage, yes, reduce, and current taking near about 2.5 ampere something. Okay, I stop the dryer. You see voltage again rise to 208 and current 0. Again I put my dryer to higher current. So you can see it's there about 4.8 something, and voltage goes down. So this is the sketch with Rashina Pro, and I use the custom code. The custom code function I used in Vasino, and this is the sensor all for current and voltage. I take from local market and use custom code and prepare it. So I will share the code in my with link. So thank you.